Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Oh boy, we are in the holiday season, guys. Santa Claus will be here pretty soon. You might want to start thinking now on what to get people or yourself, maybe. Here we go. Got a big old box. It barely made it through, so they need to use better tape at Amazon warehouse. That's for sure, because it almost didn't make it out of the box. Hopefully nothing got damaged, but I mean, it's usually fine. But yeah, it was kind of rough shape. This thing is pretty heavy too, so. Alright, everything looks good. Got another box. Let's see. Yeah, see, hold on. Alright, and we got the big old box out of the way. Now we can see what's inside. Go, cut here, a couple more cuts. There we go. A couple more cuts here. All right. What is this? Kind of metal plate. Oh boy. Not sure what they sent. Oh, Lazer Engraver. Oh boy. This should be interesting, and I never put one of these together, so do not eat this. Make sure your kids don't eat it, your animals don't eat it. We got the plug. And we got something brush. Alright. How do I get everything? US HDMI. Oh boy. This should be interesting. Got some kind of, what is this thing? Emergency USB power TF card. Alright. Keep that aside. We got right here is a bunch of, oh boy. Oh, we got a thumb drive right here. And a memory card. TF card. A bunch of stuff in here. Oh boy. Yep, this is going to take a while to put together. Like I said, this is the first time. Another printer. Printer cable. Alright. Oh, this one's heavy. Some ink. I think it's some ink kind of type deal. Oh boy, alright. I don't want to damage this. Oh boy, we gotta put this together. Set it around. Ouch. Got some kind of sidebar. I think there's more. Some kind of screen. Get on the ground. There's more. Gotta get this somehow out of the box. It's heavy, whatever it is. Alright. Okay, here's one of the main rods. Careful, might be sharp, so gotta be extremely careful with this stuff. We got some brackets. There's 3 of them. I got this one good. Nice and tight. There we go. Got one of those measuring stick type deals. I think this is like the Lazer. Be careful. I got all that side. Put this on the ground. So I'm going to figure this thing out. Should be fun. And we got another rod right here. Wrapped up. Just got to unpeel it. Well, you'll see the process once I finish it. And then, like I said, all you got to do is click that link. Here's another bar. So yeah, you guys can see there. And then I think there's something else. Yep. The most important thing, a power cord. Gonna need that for sure. So I'm gonna clean this area up. And then put this thing together. So, thank you guys over at Atomic. I think it is AtomStack. AtomStack. Now, we got these. Oh yeah. Shoot, there's gonna be a lot of things to do. But I think I could get it together and figure it out. And we shall be back. Oh yeah, there's a screen there. There, everything's cool. So I got all the parts and we'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got the all set up. Make sure you get a fan on because it's gonna smell like smoke. Let me get that going. Hold on one sec. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Right now, be careful with the laser. It's carving one of these. I like that smell of the burned wood. Definitely amazing. But not sure how long this is gonna take. I just gotta be careful not to keep staring at the light. So this helps. But that's pretty sweet though. It took me a little bit to hook up because, like I said, this is my first time ever doing one of these type of laser carvings, whatever you guys want to call it. But the directions could be a little bit better. Just look it up on YouTube like I did, and you can get the point. But it's really easy to set up. You can use your laptop to upload other images you want to use and stuff like that. But yeah, this might take a while to hook up. But it is moving. Yeah, I like that smell though. So it is working. It's just gonna take who knows how long. So definitely check them out. Yeah, see, it's supposed to be doing a butterfly style. 1%. So I think I did it right. Oh, there's 36% left. Okay. See the timer right there. And like I said, this is off their sample they had on the TF card. Yeah, it's definitely I can smell it. Shoot. Well, be careful with the laser radiations and stuff like that. Make sure the kitties are not around while doing your projects and stuff like that. So but in case you bump it, it'll be alright. It'll still hold its place. I'm gonna have to get a fan, a bigger fan. But really cool stuff, guys. Definitely check them out. AtomStack A5 M50 Pro. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.